Zero to success. How to become a profitable entrepreneur without failing first. Have you ever looked at someone who built a successful business and thought, how did they do it? Maybe you've wondered how ordinary people with no money, no experience, and no special connections, manage to rise and become successful entrepreneurs while others struggle for years and never seem to make it. What if I told you there's a proven way to start your business, become profitable, and avoid failure along the way? Would you want to know how? Before we begin, please, I would appreciate it if you like this video. You can help me continue to spread the age-old lesson. If you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so I can be motivated to make another video as quick as possible, and you don't miss any of my videos this week. If you like this video, please kindly comment, yes. If you don't like it, comment, no, to let me know so I can make another better video for you this week. Now, let's get started. Because the truth is, success in entrepreneurship is not about luck, being born rich, or having some magical skill. It's about following a method, a practical, step-by-step approach that takes ordinary people from zero to success. And today, I'm going to reveal exactly how that works. By the end of this video, you'll see that you don't have to fail first to become a profitable entrepreneur. You can start smart, start now, and grow with confidence. Let's start with the first principle. Clarity is everything. Most people jump into business without truly understanding what they want or who they are serving. They have vague ideas or random goals. That's why many businesses fail before they even get off the ground. You need a crystal clear vision. Ask yourself, who am I serving? What problem am I solving? What value do I bring to the table? Once you have clarity, every action you take becomes aligned with your goal, and your business begins to grow in the right direction. Next, you need to start small but start smart. You don't need $1 million, a fancy office, or a large team to begin. All you need is a simple idea that solves a real problem and the courage to take action. You can start with just your phone, your skills, or a small budget. Starting small gives you room to experiment, learn, and adjust without risking everything. Most successful entrepreneurs didn't begin with perfect plans. They began by testing, learning, and improving. Small steps compound over time into massive results. Momentum is more important than perfection. Every day you take action, no matter how small, you're moving closer to your goals. Now let's talk about mindset. Your mindset will determine the height of your success. Fear, doubt, and uncertainty are natural, but the key is not letting them stop you. Successful entrepreneurs see challenges as opportunities. They approach obstacles with curiosity, determination, and a figure-it-out attitude. Many people fail before they even start because they focus on what could go wrong. But what if you shifted your focus to what could go right? Ordinary people become extraordinary entrepreneurs when they train their minds to see solutions instead of problems. Another critical principle is learning while doing. You don't need to be an expert before you start. Experience comes from action, not theory. You learn more from running your business for 3 months than reading about business for 3 years. But smart entrepreneurs don't just learn from experience. They also learn from those who have already succeeded. They read books, take courses, watch videos, and seek mentorship. Every lesson you learn shortens your path to success and reduces costly mistakes. And that's exactly why I created my course, How to Become a Successful Entrepreneur Today Without Any Failure. In this course, you'll discover a complete, step-by-step roadmap for building your business, avoiding mistakes, and becoming profitable faster. You can click the link in the description below to join and start your journey today. Now, let's talk about value. Many beginners make the mistake of focusing only on money. The truth is, money is the reward for solving problems. When you provide real value to people, money follows naturally. Focus on helping your customers, over-delivering, and building trust. Ordinary people become successful entrepreneurs when they stop chasing money and start creating value. Discipline is another key. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline is what keeps you moving forward when things get hard. It's waking up, taking consistent action, planning your day, and staying committed even when results aren't immediate. Every small, disciplined action compounds over time and builds real, lasting success. Adaptability is also crucial. The business world changes every day. Trends evolve, technology shifts, and customer needs change. Entrepreneurs who succeed are the ones who can pivot, innovate, and stay flexible. Adaptation turns challenges into opportunities and keeps your business alive even in tough times. Financial intelligence separates winners from dreamers. Many startups fail not because of a bad idea, but because of poor money management. Track your income and expenses carefully. Separate personal money from business funds. Reinvest profits into growth. Avoid unnecessary spending. A profitable business is built on smart financial decisions, not just revenue. Networking is another powerful tool. Successful entrepreneurs never work alone. They learn from mentors, connect with peers, and collaborate with others. Relationships open doors, provide advice, and accelerate growth. Surround yourself with people who push you forward, not hold you back. Let's not forget resilience. There will be setbacks, mistakes, slow periods, and even rejection. How you respond defines your future. Resilience means bouncing back stronger, learning from mistakes, and staying committed to your vision. Every obstacle is an opportunity in disguise. Ordinary people become extraordinary by refusing to quit. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment yes below to let me know you're here. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of our videos. Your support by promoting this video, subscribe, likes, and share helps us motivated and continue creating good content to inform and inspire you every week. Now, let's move forward. Consistency is equally important. Small daily actions, repeated over time, lead to massive results. Show up, do the work, and focus on improvement every day. Successful entrepreneurs are not lucky, they are consistent. Your brand and reputation also matter. A strong brand isn't just a logo or a name, it's how people perceive your business. Deliver consistently, be honest, and build trust. Loyal customers, positive word of mouth, and repeat business come from a strong reputation. Technology is a powerful tool for ordinary entrepreneurs. Today, you can reach thousands of people with little to no capital using social media, e-commerce, and digital marketing tools. Use technology to automate processes, communicate with customers, and scale efficiently. This levels the playing field between small startups and large corporations. Patience is another key. Many beginners expect overnight success and give up when results don't come fast enough. Real business growth takes time. Be patient, celebrate small wins, and keep improving your product, service, and strategy. Slow and steady growth leads to lasting success. And remember, action beats perfection. You don't need to know everything before you start. You don't need the perfect plan. You don't need to wait for the right moment. The right moment is now. Take the first step, learn, adapt, and keep moving forward. If you want guidance on the exact steps to start, grow, and profit from your business without failing, my course, How to Become a Successful Entrepreneur Today Without Any Failure, is designed to do exactly that. Click the link in the description below to access the full roadmap and start taking the right actions today. Ordinary people become extraordinary entrepreneurs by taking action, learning quickly, staying disciplined, focusing on value, and being resilient. You have everything you need to start. All you need is the courage to begin. Think about this. Every expert you admire once started exactly where you are now. They had no experience, no money, no connections. Yet they acted, learned, and persisted. That's what turned their ordinary beginnings into extraordinary success. Today is your moment. Will you stay where you are, waiting for the perfect time, or will you take action, learn the proven steps, and build the business and life you deserve? Click the link in the description below to join the course and discover how ordinary people turn ideas into profitable businesses without failing first. Success isn't for dreamers, it's for doers. Ordinary people become extraordinary when they act, stay disciplined, and follow a proven path. Start today, take that first step, and build a profitable business that lasts. Your future begins with the choice you make right now. You don't need to fail first to succeed. You don't need to wait for permission, luck, or perfect conditions. All you need is action, learning, and persistence. Take the first step, follow the right roadmap, and watch your ordinary life transform into entrepreneurial success. Click the link in the description below. Access How to become a successful entrepreneur today without any failure, and start building your profitable business today. Learn the step-by-step strategies, mindset, and actions that turn ideas into results. This is your chance to go from zero to success, without the pain of failure holding you back. The journey from ordinary to extraordinary begins with one decision: to start. Take that decision today. Implement the steps, stay consistent, and your future will thank you. The life, business, and success you dream about is possible, and it starts with you taking action right now. Every day you wait is a day lost. Ordinary people like you are becoming successful entrepreneurs right now, and you can join them. Follow the path, apply the lessons, and your business will grow. Remember, success favors the brave, the persistent, and the disciplined. Start today. Click the link, get the course, and take your first step toward becoming a profitable entrepreneur without failing first. From this moment, commit to action. Apply what you learn, stay patient, and never stop improving. Ordinary beginnings can lead to extraordinary results when you follow the right path. Let today be the day your story changes. Start your entrepreneurial journey now. Click the link, get access to the course, and discover how to become a successful entrepreneur today, without any failure. Please drop a comment below this video with one thing you've taken away from this and how you plan to put it into practice in your life. Your story might just inspire someone else. If you like this video, please leave your comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Expect our next video this week. Take care of yourself. You're more resilient than you know. Thanks for watching.